Good evening, ma'am.
A very good evening, Eklavya. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, how is going your study?
My studies are going fine.
Okay. Firstly, for starting the new topic, I want to know that according to you, what should be quality as a good student?
Now, the quality of a good student, he or she must pay attention in class. He must be active. He must be curious about learning new things, and he must respect the teacher.
And what is the formula of becoming successful persons in future,
Now,
according to you?
ma'am, of the formula of becoming successful is hard work, time, patience, and the ability to learn from your mistakes.
But according to me, the main and first important rules for becoming successful persons, time. Time is very precious in life. If time has gone once, never come back. This time you have already spent in your last few minutes. Can you return that minutes? No.
No.
So we should be care our times. Okay, come to the point. What is the topic today?
Our topic today is kinetic energy. See, a moving object can do work. An object moving relatively faster can do more work than an identical object moving relatively slow. A speeding bullet, a blowing wind, a running car, a running athlete, etc. All of these possess kinetic energy. For example, let's take a moving car, a speeding bullet, blowing wind, moving ball, a cake you made on a ball, etc., a running athlete, etc., all possess kinetic energy. In short, kinetic energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion. The kinetic energy depends on the speed of the object. How can we measure kinetic energy in these terms? Well, it is defined that the kinetic energy of an object moving with a certain velocity is equal to the force or work uh, given to it for it to attain that certain velocity.
we,
Now,
we say that the kinetic energy of a body moving with a certain of velocity is equal to the work done on it to make it accurate the velocity.
yes, ma'am, that's what I said. Now let's move on to the equation. Let's now put kinetic energy of object into an equation. By any other means, kinetic energy in an equation can be defined as E with a subscript k is equal to half mv square, where m is mass and v is velocity.